Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be making one of my personal favorites, Calamari Marinara. Okay, first up, place about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into a pot. Then 1 bunch or 2 cups of fresh parsley into a food processor, along with 5 cloves of garlic, 2 medium onions, and 2 tablespoons of capers. Pulse for about 20 seconds. Now, add to pot over a medium-high heat. Once the onions are translucent, add 3 to 4 cups of crushed or diced tomatoes. Some red pepper flakes, salt, and 3 cups of clam or seafood broth. Vegetable or an herb broth also works well. Place lid and simmer on medium for about 45 to 55 minutes. At this point, our sauce has thickened up nicely, and we could pour in a nice white wine. This happens to be our wine from our personal stash. Give it a quick stir and add cleaned, cut, and dried calamari. Now, this will only require 8 to 10 minutes of cooking time, as overcooking calamari will easily become rubbery. So set your timer and work quickly. This sauce smells wonderful, all ready to plate up. The sauce is thick and looks delicious. You could serve this over any pasta. Angel hair pasta is traditional, but we like spaghetti. Add grated Parmesan or mezzitra. Some freshly cracked pepper, and a little extra virgin olive oil, and dig in. Hope you try this recipe and leave us a comment. Thanks for joining us. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with friends. See you next time on Plate on a Budget.